If you are working with spatial analysis or statistical analysis of map data and wants to improve visualization aesthetics, this is an introductory video on how we can open an ESRI shapefile in our statistics, add variables into the map, save the edited shapefile that can be readable in ArcGIS. I have also the code to save the shapefile data as a spreadsheet in R. Here we have a map of mainland US states excluding Hawaii, Alaska, and Puerto Rico. The file is opened in ArcGIS Desktop. The name of this ESRI shapefile is UseMain states. Let's right-click on the shapefile to see the attributes. As you see, there are columns relevant to state names and few other features, but nothing further. Now, let's open this ESRI shapefile in our statistical software. Here I'm using RStudio interface so we can see all windows while using the app. Before I upload the relevant R packages, I want to mention that rgdal used to be the favorite library for spatial data visualizations and analysis. But, as of 2023 it is retiring. So, here I'm using alternative libraries that are Library SF, Library Stars, Library Terra and Library SP. Then, we will assign the directory or the folder where I have saved the shapefile. This one was downloaded from ArcGIS website and I'll include the link in the description below. First, we will read the shapefile using the read_sf function of library SF. Okay, now that we have read the ESRI shapefile onto R, let's add some additional data onto the shapefile. I have chosen to add population data by state from years 2020, 2021, and 2022 onto the map. To do that, first, I downloaded the population data file from US Census Bureau website. I did save the Excel file I downloaded as a CSV file here. I will include the link in the description below. Now, if we visualize the first 10 rows of the population data, we can see the state names and the years as column names. The next step is to merge population data and the USA shapefile together. We do this merging by column name. In this case, we have to have the same column name in both USA and US population files. Here the common column is state_name. If you somehow don't have the same column name, well, try to rename one of the files to match the column name of the other file. Great. Now that we have merged the files, let's map the population data for 2022 and visualize in R. I am going to use the plot function. Now let's say we want to save the shapefile with the edits we did in R and want to read it in ArcGIS because we want to do some more fancy aesthetics to our map. To do that, I am using the st_write function of the library SF. You can choose to change the projection if needed, and that part is not tackled in this video. We will assign the folder where to save and give the shapefile a different name. I'll name it USA_R. By adding .shp we assign R to save the file as a shapefile. The dsn function has many uses. Here I'm using it to simply assign path where to save. Okay, then, what if I want to save the data in the shapefile as a Excel readable CSV file? Easy, the function is write.csv and give a name to the CSV file. I named USA_export.csv. As you can see in the folder, it is done. Now let's go to ArcGIS and try to open our newly created ESRI shapefile. We'll use add data and choose the USA_R shapefile. Then, we can visualize the year 2022 population as we did in R by changing the symbology of this layer. Well, hope this one helps you save time from searching through many forums. Thank you.